Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. A few years ago, one of my oldest English language teaching friends was made redundant from the college he'd been working at for quite a long time. And rather than trying to find a similar job in the same field, ELT, he decided instead to retrain and became a Spanish teacher in a secondary school, a state school here in North London. Last year was his first full year in the job, and he starts back at work this week. So we were chatting the other day about how he's feeling, what he's looking forward to, whether or not he feels his teaching has changed, what's different when he's teaching Spanish compared to when he used to teach English, what his colleagues are like. And as we were talking about his colleagues, he said, "I can't believe how little a couple of them care about their students. They basically give teachers a bad name." If you give someone a bad name, or you give a group of people a bad name, you damage the reputation of that group. You make the whole group look bad. So, as an English person abroad, I'm often all too well aware of the fact that drunk groups of leery lads on stag parties in Eastern European cities give the rest of us a bad name. And frankly, I don't want to be associated with those people, but I know that in the minds of many others, of course I will be, because of my accent, because of where I'm from. In the same way, little groups of football hooligans who cause trouble at games or outside stadiums give the rest of us a bad name. People associate football fans not with the vast majority of decent people, but with the small minority of hooligans. A couple more examples. I'm a cyclist as well as a driver, and when I'm cycling, I often worry about how respectful drivers are towards cyclists, how much space they give us, whether they let us go forward, etc. And sometimes I get annoyed particularly by cycle couriers. These are the guys who deliver things by bicycle, because they break all the rules of the road. They go through red lights, they weave in and out of the traffic, they cut onto the pavement sometimes, they whiz past people who are crossing on zebra crossings, and basically they give the rest of us a bad name. One final example, in America, Trump has obviously given the entire Republican Party that's backed him a bad name. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might give people a bad name.